I'm Terry Moore. I'm the CEO and founder of MCCI Corporation. We're the leading independent software vendor in the USB area for embedded USB technology. I'm the chair of the NCM committee and very active in many of the USB standards activities. USB Type-C is the new universal USB connector that replaces all of the plethora of medium, small, and large connectors that are used in your cell phones and your PCs with one small, easy-to-use connector. It's being adapted very rapidly because it combines ease of use with a much higher degree of flexibility. One of the most important features of USB Type-C is the alternate mode capability, which allows other high-speed serial technologies to be used over the same connector. So, for example, you can combine USB with DisplayPort. You can combine USB with Thunderbolt. You can combine USB with MHL, which is an HDMI-like system. So it gives you the ability as a system maker to use one port, one hole in your plastic to bring out all of your high-speed interconnect. As the industry transitions to USB Type-C, what we're going to see is a very great increase in the creativity of product designers because they can now use one port to connect to a variety of different products. And this will also give the designers the ability to use standard off-the-shelf components for things like power supplies. That's going to drive the economies of scale. It's going to make products both more flexible and cheaper for consumers. So when companies are planning for incorporating and adopting Type-C, it's important to remember how big the ecosystem is going to be. You're going to be connecting your product to lots of other products. It's an even much bigger ecosystem than we had for just regular USB. This means most companies will need to work with partners, both on the hardware side, the IP blocks, for example with Cadence, and on the software side with a system software company like MCCI. Because you want to focus on what makes your products unique and what gives you a competitive edge. If you make it yourself, you're going to burn a team of talented engineers for some period of time, dealing with the complexities of the spec and with the complexities of interop with other companies that might not have done it as well as you're doing it. If you go with an IP provider or a team of IP providers like MCCI and Cadence, we take care of that for you. We'll be standing behind your engineering team, helping them focus on what makes your products great.